Hello, my name is Dr. Mina Payne. Good afternoon, everyone. I will be discussing choosing healthy foods when preparing meals. The primary purpose for eating more vegetables and fruits in your diet is you have a longer lifespan. You have the ability to fight off infections faster, so you'll have a better immunity. You'll have a better and stronger way of getting over sickness, and you'll least likely get sick. You'll be having a healthy weight. You won't be overweight or underweight. You will lower your blood pressure and lower your chance of developing heart disease and diabetes. And also, you'll be happier and you'll be more productive. Why is it important to eat healthy foods? Is healthy foods are also play a role in mental balance in providing your energy throughout the day. So by choosing healthy foods, you can be more active and you can maintain your health and well-being of your body. Some healthy food components could be organic fruit, vegetables, water, protein, carbohydrates, minerals, and vitamins. So there are many healthy food components that consist of these that are a mixture of the nutrients that you need for your body to carry out its functions. So with the social change in the world, Tabitha Brown, she has developed and written cookbooks that basically displays patterns and ways you can add in more healthy food. She appears on television and speaks about benefits of eating healthier foods as well. Dr. Sebi was a doctor, the late Dr. Sebi, he passed away a few years ago, has proven that eating more fruits and vegetables can heal your body, improve your overall health, and changing your diet can help you get rid of sickness. So ways to increase fruits and vegetables in diet can help you remember how to add in more habits is pay attention to your nutrition labels, meal prep, so find the good vegetables and foods that are your favorites, and prepare meals 2 to 3 days in advance. Also, do smoothies, salads, fruit juices. You can self motivate yourself. It will help you feel more energized, so you can use that as self motivation. You can self motivate yourself by helping yourself eat better food because you'll have a better mood. And also, you can use your body will perform better in sports. If you're in activities or you're doing workout, you know that if you eat and increase your fruits and vegetables intake, then you'll be able to perform better. So for stats and data, if you're eating more fruits and vegetables, at least 5 servings per day, was associated with reduced mortality, so longer lifespan, and also the results support current dietary guidelines for fruit and vegetable consumption. So you consuming about at least 400 grams or 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day reduces your risk of getting diseases and contributes to ensuring a proper daily intake of dietary fiber. So in conclusion, creating a healthy diet will increase your health, lifespan, physical fitness, and mental well-being. So start by finding your favorite foods and then adding those in smoothies and salads. And once you have satisfied and got that down, you can add in those every day to all your meals. And then eating more fruits and vegetables can lower your cholesterol, blood pressure, and chance of developing diseases. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, drop it in the chat box. Thank you.